Hey, you checking in on BBW, Whop on this bitch with OutDaMuddPodcast, OffDaMuscle. I'm on point, so you won't catch me slipping. Awesome vibe, bosses got me feeling like Lameach. Shit was high as fucking Cali at the beach. Thought I was seeing shit, just bubble gum and cheetah pink play.
It's Bishop Macintosh, and we live with BBW. Explain where you from, Monroe, Louisiana.
Shit, I really grew up out here, really. I'm from right where we at, shit. You want to block Trushell. You feel me? It's Park, you Trushell, right? Shit, I'm from Trushell, really. It's really where I grew up at.
Alright, how long you been rapping?
Shit, I just started rapping like January. Really shit. I just started fucking out. I really was fucking out with that bitch. Damn, my ear really telling me to fuck with it. So shit, I ended up start dropping. Then my little brother Rick, he ended up passing away and shit. I just really took we left off like shit. Like I was saying, shit, in January I had really just started. I had ended up making a song and shit type shit. I ended up my partner AJ ended up letting him hear that bitch. Shit, he was fucking with that bitch, telling me I need to fuck with it. I wouldn't even go fuck with it. They telling me I need to drop and shit. Shit, then he ended up passing away and shit. It just felt like it was only right.
Right.
So that's where you get your inspiration from?
Yeah, them babies and shit. He started that shit, you feel me? My little brother right here. You feel me? It really come from that BBW, big baby way. You feel me? Ain't no gang or no shit. We really just started this shit on some in the name of him type shit. Yeah. And the purple baby shit just came on his favorite color and us being them babies type shit.
Who was your influences? Like who you grew up listening to?
Shit, I grew up listening to a few people type shit. You feel me? Mostly I be really on that BR music type shit.
Who from BR specifically? Like,
shit, I be fucking with that bitch Super Thomas, that bitch True Bleeder, you feel me? I be fucking with that music type shit. Shit, basically like that. Shit, everybody from young boy type shit, you feel me? So, yeah. Of course, him type shit. But then they be, shit, I be bumping me now, shit, man, my people.
Likewise, like you should.
Yeah.
How did you come up with your name again?
Shit, for the longest I ain't have no nickname, shit. My shit was Deontay. All my life, shit. That bitch, shit, I used to call myself Whop and shit like this, so shit. This bitch right here used to always just hit me with Whop. You feel me? Shit. That bitch rubbed off on everybody else, they be hitting me with that bitch now, so. And BBW shit, y'all know what that's about, so I just did that shit like that. BBW Whop.
Alright. Just tell us like how was it growing up in this area, you know? And losing the people that you love.
It's like every other good and every other city really. You feel me? But I don't know. This bitch wasn't really, I ain't gonna say like this bitch was hard type shit. I ain't finna lie shit. My dad was like fucking neighborhood superstar shit. I ain't finna lie. Like he had a straight type shit, you feel me? Shit. We really lost my little brother type shit. Shit like that happened, shit. We was just fucked out really. Shit really had. That shit really fucked us off back in 2017, you feel me? And that bitch changed a lot of shit type shit, but the people you see with me right now type shit, that's really shit, how I'm here today type shit, you feel me, really? Other than that, this is regular.
So what's next for you?
Shit, just keep dropping, really. That's all I'm really on right now. Shit, I got some shit dropping, like shit, we trying to drop like 3 times a month, really. Come off on some shit. Me and my people, you feel me? I be dropping shit myself, but I don't really do too many features. It be my people. Like I got a few songs with him. Bad, feel me? I got a song coming this week with Fat, you feel me? So I got shit in motion. All my people, so we all gonna fuck with some shit, really. Shit, go from there.
Any tours or any on the road things coming up?
Shit, not right now. Shit, they reach out. We whatever we need to be, really.
We back. So I just want to know, what's your creative process in the studio? Like, do you punch in? Right.
The last couple songs I've been doing, I ain't no punching in on the bitch basically just going in there punching in. Shit, feel me? I just be shit loaded and just getting this on and I just feel me? Make it happen.
Like what's the vibe?
Hype shit always.
Hype shit.
always. And most of the time, like, I ain't really just do no slow shit or no shit like that, you feel me? Like, it really be on some hype shit. I got a little vibe song and shit like this, some shit you vibe to.
What's one of your biggest sacrifices so far?
Talking about like for this shit?
Yeah, for this shit.
Oh, just to get to where you at right now.
Like where you at right now?
I ain't really sacrificed a lot of shit. I just really lost a lot of shit that inspired a nigga to really go in that mode.
Right.
Type shit, really. It really is.
You got your crew with you, man. Introduce the crew.
Oh yeah, these my people, man. See, got my partner Too Bad, you feel me? Got Monroe right here. Got my partner AJ. Got JK. And my girl right here. Got Fat in this bitch. My dad in this bitch. Clay in this bitch. Rick in this bitch. We got Lincoln in here. Yeah, don't cut that out. Don't even cut that out. Keep that too. And my grandma too. But yeah, I got a few more people with. Yeah, free BBA, free Savage mainly.
For real.
Big inspiration on this shit too. So that's who here with me right now. Just dropping back to back. We're really trying to drop like basically 2-3 times a month type shit.
Times much with
sit-ups. Yeah, like basically drop like that. It's gonna be with me. It's gonna be with my partner Bad Fat. But we fucking off and never doing all that. We just fucking off. Like we really just trying to see what we can go with.
That process.
Sky's the limit.
Yeah, really, we gonna go from there. Like, you feel me? We ain't even know we gonna be really doing none of this.
Bro.
We just drop one song and went from there.
And then, more music videos coming?
Yeah, I got a video coming this week with my brother right to the fact. Feel me? This is his first song. You feel me? We just drive, but we feel me? It's really it.
Who shoot your videos?
True Visual. You feel me? That's my partner there. True Visual, he shoot that big guy go tune in.
Shout out to the daughter, man.
Yeah, he be getting a nigga right. Feel me? OG done that on Facebook now. Yeah, he was on Facebook, you can get with him. He be getting a nigga right though, every time.
Lock that ass. You know what I'm saying?
We
got 420 coming.
Yeah, we got 420 for shit show. Let me tell you. We got 420 coming. Y'all know what that is, but it's different to us. This my little brother's birthday, you feel me? 420 is like, and this gonna be a movie. We gonna shoot a video on 420. It's gonna be a real life movie type shit. Like,
Yeah.
hey, that's what I'm saying. Like the shit we just been dropping out, we just been doing it. Like this summer we gonna do. Hey,
just waking up.
Starting with 420 is a number. Hey, we just been waking up, going with the full throttle, 100%. Foot on the gas, we ain't stopping. Like, I got my, I don't know. It's easier because I got like, I ain't just in this bitch doing it by myself. I got my people with me, and it's just like,
you got a team with you.
Yeah, they pushing me like. They done every step of the way, you feel me? Like, I ain't really got nothing to really worry about, so I ain't got nothing to lose, so I'm just out here. It ain't like I'm gambling with them, I'm just doing it.
Right, I'll never stop, just keep going.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. You know, people in there, hey.
Yup.
Hey, this what you gonna see though, this what you see every time, I swear. You feel me? A few faces ain't here right now, but they know who they is too, but it's my people right here. On daily, for real. See, talk, y'all got something to say. Man, them my boys, let me let y'all, matter of fact, I ain't the only one who be, my partner. Y'all can ask someone, you feel me, ask some shit.
Just drop 2 of them bitches, you feel me, go tune into them.
Tell the people where to find you at on the socials.
My shit BBW bad, you feel me, y'all can go find me on that bitch on YouTube, you feel me, look me up, Youngin Too Bad on Facebook and Youngin Too Bad on Instagram, you feel me, just look up, I promise you we ain't gonna disappoint you.
That bitch person.
Real life, real person.
Real life.
My partner right, my brother right here, he, you feel me, he fucking out with it too, you feel me, tell him,
y'all really don't really fuck with that social media, so shit.
You can get in touch with us.
Dumb shit for sure.
Bitch Reed.
Man, they already know that I'm about to pop out. I probably not really drop shit. You know,
Type shit.
got stuff going on, man. The brother, we just dropped the little video on my birthday the other day. You feel me?
Saturday.
Fat, yeah. Hey, this gonna be the one to see right here. We got a little more than what we just
stay tuned to that.
Yeah. It's gonna open your eyes right here.
Yeah,
for sure.
You know, playing my pops, they just be, they just be. Every time I see them something, they just nod their head.
I'm in the back, man. Just sing, man. Let go, man. Yeah. BBW pop, bitch. Let go.
I got Buku slang with this shit. I got like some shit though. I got like the other shit that I drop is, you know, the more you do it, the better you get. So the recent ones that I've been doing, I'm really fucking with them. So I'm gonna drop them bitch. I don't be holding it. Ain't no need to hold it. I don't hold nothing. Every time I go make a song, I shoot that bitch probably next week. You feel me? Like whenever my people ready to shoot, we shoot. We shooting it. We ain't wasting no time. We ain't holding nothing.
Nothing.
If I had a video on my phone right now, I'd drop that bitch. We drop it though like soothe the Wednesday type shit though.
Waiting on the video now.
We just dropped like last week.
Yeah.
We dropped like last week. We dropping again this week. So this really what our summer finna consist of.
Yeah.
We go from there. Everybody go, you know, do their shit.
Bitch up, my dog.
Yeah, and all of them babies though.
Don't let that free
My little brother,
Rex. Yeah, man. All them Rex, man. Y'all check that out.
Q, you feel me? My brother 18, my grandma, you feel me? All
Shouts
them
out to the
babies for
city,
real.
man. Yeah, shouts out
That's
to
what we doing
whoever fucking with the movie.
for. Free BBA, free Clay. Shit, free fucking, you know what I'm saying? Shit, they know what it is. The city know what it is. No need to even say too much about that. But shit, that's really what it is, you know, that's what it is. Shit, and this bitch, appreciate y'all for coming out this bitch, you know, out the mud in this bitch. I can't fuck with them babies, man, they already know what it is. The first interview we did too.
Not the last.
The first one we got is not the last.
Let go, bro, let go.
Quicker than never, we 1.5 months in the game, some shit. We in that bitch up. Yeah, y'all fuck with us though. BBW, Whop, man. So you won't catch me slipping. Boss of all bosses got me feeling like Lemeech. Shit was high as fucking Cali at the beach. Thought I was seeing shit. This bubble gum and cheetah piss. Clay over there just mixing shit in the back of the expedition with my feet up like the president. Shit, I be loaded out my body. I just can't control it. Always full of drugs, but best believe I'm always fully focused. My gun fully loaded. I'll be quick to put some shit in motion. Know the game cold, but my head on and my eyes fully open. Long live AT, long live my grandma, free BBA, free fast. Believe none of what you had,